Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back. MK Captain is here with another Motorola new smartphone. Motorola just unveiled a new Moto E6s, and when we saw new, we mean that it's different from the E6s that launched in India last September 2019. That one was effectively a rebrand of the Moto E6 Plus. This one is slightly different. Let's start with the what has not changed. The E6s has a 6.1-inch HD IPS panel with 720p by 1520 pixel resolution. The body of the phone is plastic and has a water repellent designing that protects the electronic inside from splashes of waters. The E6s run stock Android 9.0p on the same Helio P22 chipset, a 53 cores. It only has a 2 gigs of RAM, which is not much for a full Android. At least you get a dedicated micro SD slot. Even on the dual SIM model, the card up to 256 gigabytes are supported because the 32 gigabytes of built-in storage does not go very far. The main camera on the back side is 13 megapixel shooter f2.2 lens, and that also does a 1080p by 30 fps video capture. Next to it's a deep sensor used for bokeh shoots. There is also a fingerprint reader here, disguised as the Motorola logo. This is where things start to diverge. The most limiting change is the lack of 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of version of the phone. The Moto E6s has a 5 megapixel selfie camera on the screen notch, not 8 megapixel like the E6 Plus and Indian E6s Motorola. Another notable change is that the 3000 mAh battery now charge a just 5 volt, down from a 10 volt. Charging is done over micro USB again, which also is not ideal. Additional connectivity include a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 4.2 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. There is no NFC on this phone. The Moto E6s will be available in Latin America, Europe and Asia in the upcoming weeks. Pricing is still to be announced. For what it's worth, the E6 Plus E6s with a 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage currently goes for an Indian INR around $95, and the Indian INR is around 7,000 Indian INR. The phone will be available in peacock blue and sunrise red color. So this is the new Motorola E6s, which is a mid-range and very cheap devices. Let me know your opinion about this smartphone and make sure to like this video, and if you want more tech news and smartphone comparison video, subscribe my channel and enable that bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.